In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change your homepage in Google Chrome. But before we dive into this tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to make Google your homepage in just a few simple steps. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's proceed with the step-by-step guide to change your homepage from Yahoo to Google. Open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. In the top right corner of the Chrome window, click on the three vertical dots to access the menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Search Engine. From the available search engines, select Google as your preferred search engine. Next, scroll down to the On Startup section. Here, you can choose how your browser behaves when you open it. Click on the option that says Open the new tab page. This will set Google as your home page, and a new tab will open with the Google search bar every time you launch Google Chrome. That's it. You've successfully changed your homepage to Google in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and helpful resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new Chrome homepage.